Hello there, my friends. It's been a while since I've done a proper video. If you don't consider the podcast a proper video, personally, I don't. So today's topic is a very simple. Which platform is better for programming, Mac or Windows? Some of you may say Linux, but that will be its own whole video. So let's get this over. It depends. Okay, so I'm obviously saying the same thing as everybody, because it's all about your requirements, personal preference, and budget. Because unless you are developing iOS applications, which obviously for that you need a Mac or Mac OS at least, for everything else, Windows I think has an edge, uh, like pun not intended maybe, over Mac in every area: performance, budget, and tools. Maybe not so much in tools, but if your workflow uses like Visual Studio, I'm pretty sure you should go with Windows because Visual Studio 2019 is a very huge update for Visual Studio and a very big win for Windows actually. So let me say this. This isn't 2015 where Windows 8 was basically crap and Windows 10 was so broken that your mind will bleed updates. It has been 5 years and I guess the direction Microsoft is going is very good. Telling from their latest huge moves to buy GitHub and NPM, which are like huge open source libraries. And Microsoft have been really caring about open source development these days. And the biggest example for that is VS Code. It's a Visual Studio, but it's open source. Guys, it's open source. You can go and change the source code and stuff if you want to make the software unusable, but that's your own thing. And to Apple credits, I think the latest MacBook Air and the MacBook Pro 16-inch are huge steps forward. But still for that price you can find better and like very good stuff on Windows side. But as far as running macOS, people have been doing it in virtual machines. So it's either you lose or you lose Apple. So make some good decisions next time, maybe. Especially if you have to add that Apple text between quotes. But well, in the end, it somehow all depends on your preference and your budget. So if your budget allows, if your budget allows you to buy a Mac OS, I'm sure you will do, or a MacBook or whatever. I'm sure you will do. But if it doesn't, of course you will not, and you will go with the Windows machine. And that's very obvious. I hope you found something useful in this video, and I hope you show us your support by subscribing, liking the video, and obviously providing feedback in the comments below. See you next time.